Now, when Lindsay did it, she didn't. She opted out of the thing. Yeah, no, on most of the short stuff is you decide.
Come on, Mrs. You understand this game?
I'll play with ball.
Good, yes. Only a little bit.
This is a perfect example of you have to use what the dog wants for walking, isn't it?
Yeah, food was not doing it for her. The only trouble with the ball is that it does promote, by its very nature, a certain amount of stare at it behaviour. But
You also can't get as many or as fast repetitions, but it still works.
But it still works, yeah. Good.
Good girl.